School can teach you how to pass an exam, but in today's world, that is not enough. What if you want to learn psychology, finance, history, AI, communication, business, or philosophy, or even a completely new skill? Where do you start? There are thousands of books, millions of videos, online courses, podcasts, and now AI tools that can teach you almost anything. But there is one major problem. There is too much information. And without a system, self education can become nothing more than endless consuming. You watch videos, you save courses, you buy books, you take notes. But months later, you realize that you haven't actually built any useful knowledge of skills. So, in this video, I'm going to give you the ultimate roadmap for self education, a simple system to help you learn effectively, build valuable skills, and become a more knowledgeable and capable person. So, let's begin. The first part, define your education. The first mistake most people make is trying to learn everything. They want to learn coding, business, psychology, five languages, investing, philosophy, art, and 10 other things all at the same time. The result? They learn nothing deeply. Self education needs direction. Before you start learning, divide your education into four major areas. First, knowledge. These are subjects that help you understand the world, things like psychology, history, science, economics, and philosophy, and etc. Second, skills. These are abilities that allow you to create, communicate, and solve problems. For example, writing, communication, research, AI literacy, coding, etc. Third, money. Learn the fundamentals of personal finance, business, sales, investing, digital entrepreneurship. And finally, fourth, health. Because your brain cannot perform at its best if you ignore your body. Learn about exercise, nutrition, sleep, mental focus, stress management. You don't need to study everything at once. Just choose one main skill and one knowledge area to focus on at a time. Second part. Second part. Learn how to learn. Before learning more information, learn how learning actually works. Because spending 5 hours studying inefficiently is worse than spending one focused hour studying properly. The first principle is don't just consume, recall. Instead of reading something 10 times, close the book and ask, what do I remember? This is called active recall. The second principle is review before you forget. Don't learn something once and expect to remember it forever. Review important concept for a few days, then after a week, and then again later. This is called space repetition. The third principle is explain what you learn. If you cannot explain a concept simply, you probably don't understand it deeply enough. Try explaining it as if you were teaching a beginner. And finally, learn by doing. You cannot learn swimming by watching swimming videos, and you cannot become a writer just by reading about writing. Knowledge becomes valuable when it's applied. The third part, build your personal curriculum. Now that's you know how to learn, you need a curriculum. But unlike school, you get to design it yourself. Here's a simple example. For the next 3 months, choose one core subject, one practical skill, one financial subject, and one health related goal. Now you have a personal curriculum. Instead of randomly opening YouTube and asking what should I learn today, you already know. Your education now has direction. Think in projects, not endless subjects. Instead of saying, I want to learn psychology, create a project. I will study the fundamentals of human behavior for 30 days and create a video explaining what I learned. Instead of I want to learn coding, say I will learn the basics of Python and build one small project. Projects force you to finish, and finishing is a skill. The fourth part, use the right learning sources. The internet has given us more knowledge sources than any generation before us. But access to information is not the same as education. So use a learning hierarchy. Level 1, books. Books are excellent for developing deep structured understanding. Level 2, courses. Courses are useful when you need a clear path for beginner to advanced. Level 3. High quality videos and lectures. These can make difficult concepts easier to understand. Learn for AI. AI is a broken tool, you can use it. AI can now act like a personal tutor. You can ask it to explain difficult concepts, test your knowledge, create practice questions, or give feedback. But remember, AI should help you think, not think for you. And finally, learn from experience. The real world is also a classroom. Start projects, make mistakes, create things, talk to people who know more than you. Experience will teach you lessons that no textbook can. The fifth and most important part, build a daily self education system. You don't need to study for 8 hours every day. Consistency is more important than intensity. Even one focus hour every day can become more than 365 hours of learning in a year. Here is a simple daily system. 20 minutes, learn. Read a book or study a lesson. 20 minutes, practice. Work on your main skill. 10 minutes, recall. Close everything and write down what you remember. 10 minutes, create. Use what you learn to make something small. That's just 1 hour. The goal is not to have the perfect schedule. The goal is to create a system you can repeat. The part number 6, avoid the biggest self education traps. There are three traps you need to avoid. Trap number 1, information addiction. Watching educational content can feel productive, but watching videos about productivity is not same as being productive. At some point you have to stop consuming and start doing. Trap number 2, switching constantly. Don't abandon a skill every time a new topic looks exciting. Give yourself enough time to become competent. Trap number 3, never creating. If you have learned something for months but have nothing to show for it, ask yourself, have I actually practiced or have I just consumed information? Your output, your output is evidence of your learning. The final roadmap. So let's put everything together. Your ultimate roadmap for self education is simple. First, choose what you want to learn. Don't learn everything at once. Second, learn how to learn. Use active recall, spaced repetition, and practical application. Third, build your own curriculum. Choose a few important areas and focus on them. Fourth, use high quality sources. Books, courses, teachers, AI, and real world experience. The fifth, build a system you can follow every day. Because self education is not about the becoming the smartest person in the room. It's about becoming someone who can adapt. The sixth part, avoid the traps. Build your own education. One subject, one skill, one project, one day at a time. And eventually, you will look back and realize that you didn't just learn more. You become a completely different person. So, guys, that's the roadmap, ultimate roadmap for self education. Remember, you don't need to know everything. The goal is to become a person who can learn anything. Start small, pick one subject, one valuable skill, and one project, then show up consistently and keep building. Because in a world where information is everywhere, the people who win won't necessarily be the ones who know the most. They will the one who know how to learn, think, and apply what they learn. Your education is now in your hands. So what are you going to learn first? Tell me in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want more content on self improvement, learning valuable skills, books, and becoming a more well-rounded person, make sure to subscribe this channel. Your future self is built by what you choose to learn today. So see you next the next video.